Another big story we've been following, the 11-year-old charged with shooting a teen in Norfolk.
Today, the young suspect faced a judge. It all goes back to the weekend shooting on Nicholson Street. A lot of complicating factors in this case, mainly the suspect's age. 10 on your side's Haley Mylon has new developments tonight.
A 17-year-old boy is in the hospital fighting for his life. An 11-year-old boy is accused of pulling the trigger. That child faced a judge for the first time today. Afterwards, I spoke to Commonwealth's attorney Ramin Fadahi, who tells me that a child this young facing charges this serious is highly unusual.
The degree to which a child is responsible for committing acts, even acts of violence, even serious acts, is different than for adults.
As the case against an 11-year-old alleged shooter makes its way through the justice system in Norfolk, Fadahi says the road ahead is far different than it would be for an adult defendant.
The juvenile system is designed to be as rehabilitative as possible.
This morning, a judge ruled the child be held in juvenile detention while going through pretrial services. That means two things. One, evaluating the boy's capacity to understand the legal system.
Has his brain developed to the point where somebody can explain to him what is a judge, what is a prosecutor, what is a defense lawyer, and what his role is if he faces a criminal charge?
And two, teaching the child about due process. If he can't demonstrate that he understands,
then by Virginia law, that child is not capable of forming the intent necessary to commit a crime, no matter how serious the act is that he has committed.
Police in Norfolk haven't said whether any adults might face charges in connection to the case. But this comes as prosecutors across our area navigate cases involving children obtaining guns. In January, a 6-year-old in Newport News allegedly shot his teacher in a classroom. And in February, police arrested a Norfolk mother after her child reportedly brought a gun to school.
Unfortunately, we're living in a world where almost every week we're hearing about a child in possession of a gun.
The trial is preliminarily set for March 28th. That's less than 2 weeks away. Of course, that's subject to change as this case moves forward and as investigators continue to gather information. In Norfolk, Haley Mylon, 10 on your side.